Hi there, today I'm going to be showing you how you can record sales and purchases. For the first example, I'll show you how to do sales from the mobile app, but you can also do this from the web. Firstly, if you head into livestock and then press create bulk record and then select the species, so I'm going to do cattle, and we can scroll down to where it says sale. I'm going to click into here and then here we can fill in the information. Please also note in the top left hand corner here we can switch this record between basic and advanced. Basic just shows us the sort of basic fields that we can fill in, and then advanced shows us a bit more details such as transfer information and things like that. So I'm just going to leave it at basic for now. And now we can do the sale date. So I'm going to leave that as today, and then we can select the animals and by pressing the select animals drop down. So I'm going to select from management groups in this instance. So press management group and then select from one of your groups. So I'm going to do the 4 bulls. So now we've got the animals selected, we can scroll down and enter in the sale information. So if you have a reference number, you can pop that in there, and then we can go into the buyer as well. So you can either just put the buyer's name in, or if you have them in your contacts, you can select from a contact. So I'm going to select from my contacts, and you can either add a contact in here so it saves for next time, or just click on one that you've already got. So I'm going to choose ABP. Down here, we can put in the destination, CPH and name as well if we need to, but that's already filled in for ABP. And any additional information such as costs, carcass data if you want to add that in. We appreciate that you don't always get this at the time of the sale, so you can come back in and edit the record to add your carcass data in. Or you can also enter income per head, per individual, live weight, dress weight, or gross if you need to as well. And then once you're happy, you can just hit save. So then you'll get a pop-up to notify you that you can submit this to BCMS as well, or whichever government body you're connected to. So it's just letting you know that this will go through into your GovReg page if you want to send it through on there. So I'm going to hit save. And we can see that that record's been created. We can view this in our activity as well. We can see this sale at the top and click into it if we need to. So we've got a bit of a summary of how many animals went, when they went, and then at the bottom here, if we need to say delete this, we can do from here, or edit, like I said before, to add in any additional information such as carcass data. We can just do that by pressing edit there. You can also do this from the web app as well. So that's how you can do a sale on the mobile app. I'll jump into showing you how you can do a purchase from the web app. Hi there, so following on from my previous video of sales on the mobile, I'm just going to show you how you can do purchases on the web. For sales and purchases, you can do both on the mobile and the web. I'm just giving you an example for both. So let's crack on and record a purchase for this animal here. So as you can see, this top one I've got selected. I've just added this animal on. So it's important to note for all purchases, you need to have the animals in your account before you can record the purchase against them. So that's either by scanning the passports, importing them via a CSV file, or just creating the animal, the individual animals. So I've just created this one, and now I'm going to add the purchase against it. So I've selected it, so I can go to add records, create records, and then scroll down to where it says purchase here. So same as on the mobile, we can switch this to basic or advanced. I'm going to keep it at basic for now. So I've got my animals selected here, and then we can change the date purchased at the top if we need to, but I'm going to keep it as today. And then just scroll down. We can add in a reference number if we need to. So we can put the vendor in, you can have it select your contact or just put the name in. So I'm going to put Bill Smith. And then transport information as well. So when did this animal arrive? So I'm going to say arrived today. Previous location CPH, you can put this in if you want to, and previous location name if you want to as well. And then we've got the costing information at the bottom as well if we want to put this in. So there's only one, so I'm going to do an individual price, not a weight because it's a stock bull. I'm going to say I bought it for £5,000. So then once I'm happy with everything, I can just hit save. And then again, we'll get this pop up just to say, are you sure? Because we can submit this to BCMS or your different government body from the GovReg page in the app. So I'm going to say, yeah, that's fine. And then if we head to our activity, we should be able to see the purchase at the top here. So we can click into it if we need to, just to view a summary, and edit if we need to, and delete if we need to as well. So that's how you can record sales and purchases. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.